Well, guys, it's just about that time. You've all been waiting for it. I've been putting it off a little too long, so it's time. It's been way long overdue, so I'm going to get started for you. The Lowe's $47 DIY hydroponic system. There you have it, guys. So what I've done is I've used the FOOP as my nutrient. We'll see how FOOP does. I've never used this, but it's aquaponics in a bottle, so I'll give it a try. I went ahead and used seeds that I wasn't too concerned about, just because this is kind of experimental because of the nutrients. If it wasn't for the nutrients, these are dialed in for me. And I've had Oasis down there as the growing medium. I've planted 2 Dr. Seedsman Auto CBDs and 2 Critical Mass from Aussie Big Buds. There you have it, guys. We'll see how this does. Keep happy. Stay stoned in Urban Garden.